new light bulb testing system powered up over this plug. We'll go later in this ballast component, and this is voltage for contactors and release and pilot lights. So we have here main power and this light, and then we have here the control panel. We have, these are 3 different voltage possibilities over this switch, and these are 2 input possibilities with these 2 pilot lights. So the 2 inputs are this plug or these 2 4mm banana plugs. Then second point is, this is a test because there's a neon lamp in it. If it's over 100 volt and you don't want to use a voltage meter, you can test over this. These 2 are different voltmeters. So this voltmeter is for an external voltmeter that goes here on these 4mm banana plugs. This is for an internal voltmeter that should go on if I work on these switches. Then we have here a switch for the lightning, so now the pilot lights are off. This is a current, because you can measure the current outside, if it's, because this meter is a multimeter, but it works only if there's 80 volts input. And here I can make an external voltmeter for voltage that are under 80 volts. This is a ignition. Power should be cut off. I don't take it. It's there's no igniter in the moment in the controller, so I can take it. Igniter with this flash here for high voltage, and this is the output that go to the sockets. Yes. So now we're gonna take a test. So you can see here's the plug. Here's the banana plug. Now is input 1. Input 2. We go use input 1 because here we have our plug. Here our testing light bulb. 220, 230 volts, 75 watts. Now here we have ballast. Here I have the transformer settings. One time 220 volt because I have on 230 volt for old light bulb is not so tall, so good. So I'm using 250 to 20 or 80 to 120 volt over very. I got this time in next time, but we'll go straight through. This is this setting. We can show the others. This setting. Now we can test. Neon is working. Now we can power up the voltmeter. We have 229 volt, 0.9 volt, 0.0 watt, 0.002 kVh, 0.00 amps. Now we have to plug the internal current because we have nothing here. Ignition not our problem, and power. You can see the light bulb is light, and the power meters say me 229 volt, 0.2, 78 watt, 79 watt, 0.34 amp. So that is the first part of my new light bulb testing device. I'm gonna build a ballast box with ballast here, but I'm getting a few ballasts and different transformers. I'm getting a 2 kV ballast for 400 volt lamps and 600 watt and 100 watt. Yes, this is the actual lightning testing device.